Look at the people! Everyone is running away!
Leo, hurry! The dinosaur is falling!
Look at this museum. It is very big.
We are going to see the dinosaurs!
Yes, we are in New York today.
This museum is so beautiful. I love history.
Let's go in. Come on, Max. Good boy.
Look up, children.
Wow. The dinosaur is very big. It looks scary. We are very small. I am a little nervous.
You are safe, Lily. The bones cannot move.
Look at the teeth. Dinosaurs were very strong.
What happened?
I do not know. The lights turned off.
It is dark. I cannot see.
Do not worry, the red lights are on.
I am scared, Mom.
Come here, Lily. Hold my hand.
The floor is moving!
It is an earthquake! A big earthquake!
Sit down, Sam! Sit down, Lily! Sit on the floor!
The museum is shaking! Mommy!
Stay down! Protect your heads!
Look at the people! Everyone is running away!
They are going outside. It is safer in the street.
The whole room is shaking! Look at the dinosaur head! It is broken! It is going to fall!
Do not look up. Look at me. Breathe.
We cannot stay here. The metal is weak. We must run under the big desk. Follow me, Emma! Run to the desk!
Run fast!
Look! We can hide under the wood.
But it is dark under there!
We must hide. Sam, you go first. Go under now! Now you, Lily. Give me your hand. Go! Come here, Max! Run! Go, Emma!
Leo, hurry! The dinosaur is falling!
We are safe! You are so brave, Dad.
We are all brave. That was a terrible earthquake.
Yes, but we are together. Hello? Is anyone there? We are here! We need help! Do not move. Are you okay?
We hid under the desk.
You are very lucky. Let me check your arms.
My arm hurts a little.
It is just a bruise. You have a small wound, but you are a brave boy.
I have a bruise on my leg too.
The museum is not safe. Safe. We must leave now. We will take you to the hospital. Can Max come with us? He is our family. Yes, he is a good dog. He can ride in the security car behind you.
Thank you, sir.
You are all perfectly fine.
Thank you so much, Doctor.
We are very happy to be safe.
Dinosaurs are cool, but earthquakes are scary.
Just rest tonight. You can go home tomorrow.
Subscribe to Alpha Daily English. See you in the next video.